Alright, so this thing weighs like 100 and something pounds.
I love my boots broken, I love my camo hat. Don't mind a little paint on my jeans, yeah, I roll like that. I love driving my truck across the railroad track. If you hit it too quick, it'll hit you right back. I love a fresh cut feel with the first frost on. How it shines like gold when the sun turns on. I love the sound of them wheels, my baby singing along when Boys of Summer comes on. I love my small town world, I love a country girl, I love a Friday night. Man, I love this life, sound of an old dirt road rolling through my...
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no
That guy right there is really weird, but
I'm stepping to your toe to toe.
yeah, so we got stuff, we got it halfway connected in the skid loader.
I ain't worried about it right now.
What's that?
We don't want to pay attention to it. Anyway, we got
What's that?
2 of the lines connected out of, I think, 4 or 5.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, so spend it like it's gold. I'm living like I'm 19 years old. Got no regrets even when I'm broke. Yeah, I'm at my best when I got something I'm wanting to steal. We're too busy for them problems and problems to feel. Yeah, yeah, no stressing, just obsessing with sealing the deal. I take it in and let it go, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the path below. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the path below. I ain't worried about it.
What we have here is a commercial battery, and it has dirt on it because we set it on the ground and then it rained on it. So yeah, that's how it goes. And we got to put it back in. It goes right here. All right, first time starting it in a couple weeks since it's been down. He died.
Better back down, you're in my domain. Got the whole crowd screaming out our name. It's a blowout, it's a hurricane. It's over before you know it. While you're shaking, we're a dime.